Hey guys, this is a tutorial video about how to replace the water pump. Here are all the items for replacement: a water pump, waterproof tape, a pair of pliers and a spanner, 2 pipes, screws and power cable. You would also need some cable ties. Let's start. We are gonna install the pipes on pump. Take out the waterproof tape. Wrap it around the pipe. Insert the tube into the interface. Use another screw to fix the tube. Use spanner to enhance the connection. Same process on another pipe. Now use pliers to cut the cable ties. Pull out the pipes. Put them aside carefully. Next, connect with new pump. This means water out of the pump. Connect with the upper interface of the beam generator. Insert the pipe. Fix with cable tie. The downside interface means water go into the pump. Connect with the downside of the beam generator. Insert the pipe. Fix with cable tie. Use pliers cut the extra part. Use other pliers to fix the rest cables. Finally, connect the power cable and test the function.